Welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. In today's video, we will explore the dangerous situations on the road caused by reckless driving. This is a very important topic to ensure everyone's safety. Let's get started. Why would you put yourself in such danger? The small car was going too fast to brake in time when there was an obstacle. The small car lost its brakes, causing a big explosion. Luckily, everyone is okay. The car is trying to stop, but it seems to have lost its brakes. If you had driven slower, this accident wouldn't have happened. Crossing the road while the light is red was the driver in that much of a hurry. No one was injured, but the driver will surely have to pay a hefty compensation. The car was suddenly hit from the side, leaving the driver unable to react in time. The accident was quite severe, but no one was injured. The car lost its brakes and went off the road at a pretty high speed. The car lost control. Luckily, the driver is fine, and no other cars were affected. This is why vehicles need to pay attention to height warnings on bridges. The securing strap came loose, causing all the metal to fall. Luckily, no cars were nearby. The accident happened because the turn was too close, and neither car could handle the situation. Drivers need to go slowly and observe carefully when turning at intersections. The car was moving while smoking. Perhaps the driver is looking for the nearest repair station. After this, the driver will probably need some time to recover. Though it wasn't a major collision, it serves as a reminder for the driver. Bulky vehicles making tight turns are very likely to cause accidents. Drivers should be aware of this. Reversing in a tight space will inevitably lead to an accident. Not sure if the car lost its brakes or the driver hit the accelerator by mistake. Why would the driver crash into the barrier while driving on a straight road? Don't drive too fast in the city, you'll get into big trouble. A small collision didn't cause much damage, but it served as a lesson. Just because they tried to save a minute, two cars collided. The fire has obstructed traffic for quite a while. The driver was not paying attention and collided with the white car, then left because no one was around. The collision affected both cars, proving that the impact was quite strong. Why don't drivers pay attention to the road? It feels like watching a police chase. The driver will surely remember this collision for a long time. The driver wanted to overtake, but didn't pay attention to the distance and caused a collision. An unpredictable situation. Maybe the driver of the white car didn't notice. Luckily, there was no collision, but the driver should go slowly when exiting an alley in the future. The car managed to stay upright for quite a while before tipping over. Not sure if the car wanted to turn right or go straight. Driving too fast made it impossible for the driver to handle the roundabout. Maybe the driver didn't notice the car in front stopping. Perhaps the driver couldn't brake in time to turn, causing the collision. The small car lost its brakes and crashed straight through the road barrier. Running a red light is not recommended. Driving too fast will prevent you from handling slippery road conditions. At such a speed, how can the train stop suddenly? The pickup truck suddenly swerved onto the road, surprising the oncoming car. Looking at the aftermath after the train passed, it's clear how terrible the accident was.